Welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to dive into the top 10 ways to make money online in 2023. Whether you're looking for a side hustle or a full-time income, these methods are proven to be effective. So, let's get started. 1. Freelancing. One of the most popular ways to make money online is through freelancing. Platforms like Upwork, Freelancer, and Fiverr offer a vast array of freelance opportunities. You can showcase your skills in writing, graphic design, programming, or even voiceover work. The demand for freelancers is continuously growing, providing a flexible way to earn money on your terms. 2. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a powerful way to earn passive income. By promoting products or services and earning a commission for every sale or lead generated, you can leverage your online presence to make money. Join affiliate programs such as Amazon Associates, ClickBank, or Commission Junction, and start promoting products through your blog, social media, or YouTube channel. 3. Online surveys. Online surveys offer a simple way to earn money by sharing your opinions. Many companies pay users for participating in market research surveys. Websites and apps like Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, and Taluna provide opportunities to earn cash, gift cards, or other rewards for completing surveys. Although it may not make you rich, it can be an easy and fun way to earn some extra income. 4. Dropshipping. Dropshipping is an e-commerce model where you sell products without having to carry inventory. You set up an online store, find reliable suppliers, and when a customer places an order, the supplier ships the products directly to the customer. Platforms like Shopify make it easy to start a dropshipping business, and you can promote your products through social media, online ads, or influencer marketing. 5. Content creation. If you have a passion for creating content, you can monetize it through platforms like YouTube, TikTok, or blogging. By consistently producing high-quality and engaging content, you can attract a loyal audience. Once you meet the requirements, you can join YouTube's partner program and earn money through advertising, sponsorships, merchandise sales, and more. 6. Online courses. Creating and selling online courses has become a lucrative online business. If you have expertise in a particular field, you can package your knowledge into a course and sell it on platforms like Udemy, Teachable, or Skillshare. Online courses offer scalability and the potential for passive income as learners enroll in your courses from around the world. 7. Stock market investments. Investing in the stock market can be an excellent way to grow your wealth over time. With online brokerage platforms like Robinhood, EATRA, DEE, or TD Ameritrade, you can start investing with as little as a few dollars. However, it's essential to do thorough research and understand the risks before diving into the stock market. 8. Virtual assistant services. Many businesses and entrepreneurs are seeking virtual assistants to help them with administrative tasks. If you're organized, detail-oriented, and proficient in tasks like email management, data entry, or social media scheduling, you can offer your services as a virtual assistant. Platforms like Upwork and Zirtual connect virtual assistants with clients worldwide. 9. Cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency has gained immense popularity in recent years. You can invest in established cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum, or explore promising altcoins. Additionally, you can earn passive income through activities like staking or lending your crypto assets on decentralized finance, DeFi, platforms. 10. Print on demand. If you're creative and enjoy designing, print on demand, platforms like Printful or Redbubble allow you to create and sell customized products such as t-shirts, mugs, or phone cases. You simply upload your designs, and the platform takes care of printing, shipping, and customer service while you earn a profit. And there you have it, the top 10 ways to make money online in 2023. Whether you choose freelancing, affiliate marketing, content creation, or any other method, remember that success requires dedication, consistency, and continuous learning. Which method are you most excited to explore? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos on online earning and personal finance. Thanks for watching, and see you guys in the next video.